Today we'll be looking at the updates on YieldRobot. Okay, now YieldRobot is actually doing something tremendous because the first time I reviewed this project, the total TVL as at then was actually $6,000, and presently now the TVL is just skyrocketing. And if you come up here and you click on this contract here, if you click on this contract, let's click on it. If you click on this contract, it's going to bring you to, you can see their BSC scan balance here. You can see the TVL. The TVL is actually running towards $1 million presently as it is. Okay. And I think that goes to show that a whole lot of guys are coming into this project and putting money into this project. YieldRobot is a project that actually started slow, but actually gained momentum in the process of its running. Now, if you are new to this project, or you are watching my video for the first time, now YieldRobot is actually a project that trade. They have a boat. Okay, they have a boat that trade the crypto space. And they pay 2% daily of your total investment. You can actually start with whichever amount you want to start with. Let me quickly show you their trade. You can see their trade. They actually just incorporated this particular system into it. Initially, there was no details of trade taking and profit and all that made, but I just discovered that they added this recently. And you can see that the TVL is actually growing seriously. So presently, you can see the total amount of money people actually invested is over $1 million. Okay, to their Telegram group, which I will advise you to join. Okay, if you're a part of this project, you have to join the Telegram group so that you get more information from the Telegram group. Even today being the 30th of December 2022, they are having an AMA. Okay. You can see they are having an AMA today. So the AMA is actually coming up. You can see today, it's coming up today, 30th. Okay, at 8 p.m. UTC time. Okay, you can see 8 p.m. UTC time, the project will be starting. Okay, so if you want to get more details, I will encourage you to actually keep to date, keep to the time, and join the AMA. Okay, personally, I'll be joining it because I need to hear from the developer. I need to hear from the project owner what exactly they have in stock. Because if you go to their white paper, like I rightly said, I do like to read white papers a whole lot. If you go to their white paper, you can see their roadmap. Okay, so we are entering 2023, and which is their, you can see phase 3, 2023, quarter 3 to 4. Okay, they should be releasing an iOS, Android app. There should be a whole lot of development in the first quarter of 2023 from YieldRobot. So these are things you need to know about YieldRobot. So I'll be dropping a link right below this video. If you are seeing this for the first time, you can click on that link, join YieldRobot, and it will take you to this particular project here, where you can actually get all the necessary information that you need about YieldRobot. Okay, so far the projects have been paying. Okay, people have been taking out their project, taking out their profits, their rewards so far. And also, one other thing about this project is that after 30 days, you can actually take out your capital. Yeah, you can take out your capital after 30 days. So assuming you put in $200 and you keep taking your reward every day, at 30 days, you can decide, oh, I'm good, I don't want to continue again, and I want to take out my, you can go ahead and take out your capital. Is allowed in the project. Okay, so these are the quick updates and information I think I should let you know. Today being the 30th of December 2022, they'll be having an AMA by 8 p.m. UTC time. Okay, endeavor to join the Telegram group, and if you want to get more information, I think you should be able to ask more questions in the AMA. Okay, I like asking questions. You can decide to ask them questions in the AMA. Okay, I think that's the update I actually have for now. Okay, like I rightly said, you can see the contract here. You can see the contract here. You can see, let's go to the transactions. If you go to the transactions, you see, you can see You can see claim or reward, people claiming reward, people depositing, people claiming and people depositing. So the project is going so far. Having said all that, I'm not your financial advisor, please. You're going to invest whatever you feel, you are comfortable with, okay? And make sure you do your own due diligence before putting your money into any DeFi project, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. Remember, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, okay? Do take care of yourself. Bye-bye.